slide that back.
Oh, it's way down in there.
Right, so we're gonna yank it up together, okay? And I'm just gonna say,
right there.
yeah, pull it back up a little bit.
Yes, Jazz.
Ready? Let's go. Oh, we're gonna go down, right? All right. Let's do it again. You got it? All the way down. And then when it gets this down, we'll just come up. Yep. I'll follow your lead. Ready? Here we go.
On that tree up there.
I think that got it. Oh yeah, we got it. We just gotta be careful setting it down in there. Like Juan's saying, we're dragging half the world with it.
Well, let me hold it up while y'all get it to there. Yeah, like that. And then once it stand up, there's no problem.
Come here, Jazz. Come here, Jazz. Come here, Jazz. Come here, Jazz. Bend with your knees.
What you call me? Oh.
I'm filming. Please don't do that. I'm filming. Please don't do that. I'm filming. Oh my God.
What God got?
God help this. God help this man's craziness.
There we go. All right, slide her forward. No. Just on the ground first. There you go. All right, stop right there. Hold on, brother. Let me help you.
On the other side.
I think that's good. That felt good going in. And I can always chop the top off.
Pull that out. She said.
Again, I'm filming.
What are you trying to say, Eddie?
Do you want
All right,
YouTube?
Hold on. Don't wait a minute. I got a moment. Don't stop it. You ready? I got a moment. I am a professional at this. Don't attempt this, children at home. Okay, you ready? One. Well, woman. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, I quit. That's it. Strike 3, you're out.
You got 11?
Yeah. 4 foot, man. You want a good level or a
Not
bad
a
level?
torpedo.
You want a good level?
Get one in Williamson level.
I got one of them right over here. Right along with
Like this?
Dave.